Oh my God, look at the traffic, dog. A12 Aikido. You can't look at me no 570S. Don't look at me, dog. You down here, dog. I don't want to see that. He was looking like this. And I'm like this.
I'm the type to go and bring on me, take on vacation. I've been certified my whole life, come check my registration. Yeah, I'm drunk, but I ain't driving, yes, and I know my destination.
Triple aces.
This man's impressionable show. If you ain't got $1, I'm out, you know I gotta go. My tolerance kinda really high, but I pop me some more. Type to go and bring on me, take on vacation.
I didn't even hear you pulling up though.
You're in shorts.
Yes, because you responded after I left. Because I'm here on time.
Am I not here on time?
I don't know. No,
Oh, wow.
He is not here
What's
on
up?
time too.
Nice to
What's
see
up?
you.
I specifically said no shorts.
I can go back and change.
You got a lot of laces there. Why do you have so many laces?
Oh, bro, you're not tapped in, bro.
Bro, what
Hey,
is that?
chat. Somebody knows it. These are new Kyries. These guys don't know swag like this. Triple aces.
Kyrie just had some. They ran off with it. Sad.
Put the seat back there. It's on the bottom. Yeah.
Is that carbon or is it paint?
No, I'm just kidding. That's a cool spec.
Wait, ugly carbon or
I'm
paint?
kidding, bro. It's silver paint.
He's in his C606. It's just lit. Yeah, it's a C606. He's got a cam in it. It's C606. It's a C606. Say it right. He's got a cam in it. I don't know how much horsepower he's pushing, but he's got a cam in it. It's freaking. It's nice. It's nice. But this car is crazy. What a nice, kind of raceway drive up, hit the 76 gas station, then do another sunset drive to the canyons and back. It's gonna be like a little loop. It's gonna be fun.